Samsung has maintained the design of the Galaxy Z Fold virtually unaltered since the debut of its second-generation model in 2020. Therefore, it is not unexpected that the future Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to have a significant similarity to the company's current leading foldable device. A current leak from the reliable tipster ICE universe reveals the minor modifications to the next Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The leaker posted images comparing the forthcoming device to the current model, with the exception of the flashlight being shifted to the right of the camera cutout. There seem to be no further apparent changes in a follow-up. Tweet ICE Universe stacked the two frames on top of one another using red lines. According to ICE Universe, the width of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's exterior screen will also stay intact, implying that the aspect ratio of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will not be affected when the device is folded. The device is likely to keep its tall and thin shape, in contrast to the previously unveiled Google Pixel Fold, which adopts a more standard aspect ratio when folded. However, the existing slender design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold makes typing a little more difficult. Furthermore, having to unfold the device merely to send a brief text is cumbersome and needless, adding an additional step that should be avoided. Leaving aside the complaints regarding the present aspect ratio, there is a saying that comes to mind: if it isn't broken, don't change it. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a well-designed device, and there is a strong justification for Samsung to make incremental improvements rather than drastic alterations. For example, it has been rumored that the forthcoming edition would be thinner and lighter thanks to the adoption of a redesigned teardrop hinge. Furthermore, the exterior look of a phone does not often represent its underlying capabilities. It is commonly predicted that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will use the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, which will deliver a substantial performance jump. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.